taught your children to multiply fractions is really kind of simple. What they do is they'll take a fraction, say 2/3 times, say 4/5, and basically it's as simple as this. They just multiply straight across. Here, 2 times 4 is 8, and 3 times 5 is 15. And they're all done. Now, of course, there's more to it. Suppose they need to be reduced, these fractions. You've heard of this, reduced to the lowest terms. Okay, well, basically what I've taught them to do there is to prime factor and reduce. I don't teach them to cross-cancel. The reason I don't is because in the past I've had several students that got really confused by it, and for the more advanced students I might show them canceling, but for the most part I just stay with this multiply straight across and then prime factor or reduce. Alright? Now, if you have a mixed number is like, say, 3.5. Mixed number, whole number fraction, called a mixed number. What you do is you multiply 2 times 3, and some people show it like this. 2 times 3 equals 6, plus 1 more is 7. This would be 7/2 as an improper fraction. Improper meaning the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Now here's the reason I showed you that. Because if you have one that says 3.5 times 2 1/4, let's say, you cannot multiply these unless you turn them into improper fractions first. So what you do is 3 times 2 is 6, and 1 more is 7/2. Multiplied times 2 times 4 is 8, and 1 more is 9/4, like this. Now you multiply straight across. 7 times 9 is 63, and 2 times 4 is 8. To finish this, we have to turn it back to to a mixed number. So you divide 8 into 63, and you get 7 for 56, and at least 7 left over, and you got 7/8. And that's how I have them do it. That's how I taught it to them. So let's try one more, just so you can see this one more time. If you have, say, 5.5 times 2 3/4, and we're going to multiply these. First thing, improper fraction. So 2 times 5 is 10, and 1 more is 11/2. Multiply times, 4 times 2 is 8, and 3 more is 11/4. We multiply these now. 11 times 11 is 121, and 2 times 4 is 8. Alright? Now we divide 8 into 121, and you can get 1, and put the 8 right there for 4. Put that right there. Put a 5 there for 40. Leaves 1 left over, 1/8. 15 1/8. Again, I try to keep this as simple as possible so that they make as few mistakes and it builds up their confidence as much as possible.